I was standing at a Xerox shop where one of my students' parents were asking to pay the bill to the Xerox shopkeeper, and the shopkeeper was charging for it. And then I thought it was something like they can also do it by their own. However, they are paying that.
We knew of Project Neeti, we knew what was happening.
It was a city conference of Teach for India where the founders Pulkit and Anchal actually had a presentation where they spoke about the project and how it helped their community. We ourselves did not know what are the policies, what are the educational healthcare policies, nothing about those things. And when there were people talking about these things that okay, they've actually researched about this and they've thought about all of this, we thought that okay, if people have the knowledge within our ecosystem, why not leverage that towards helping our classroom?
A parent actually fell down in school, and so we had to rush her to the government hospital, and we were so lost. I feel like if we had like a lot of the information that we have now, we could have really better guided her. We had training sessions like 2 days intensive where we were like learning all the information ourselves.
Although I mean we did not have any clue when we stepped inside that room, but by end of those 2 days we had a lot of information in our head.
In the first few sessions itself, what we saw was the parents actually really appreciated the project.
And after the session, parents would come with their problems, we would have discussion, they would share details.
They would be like, okay, yeah, you know, I have done this and I have experienced this when I've gone to the police station, or I have experienced this when I've gone to this office, and I think this thing requires some other document, and it is always an interactive back and forth discussion.
Before, my thinking was like why people are not using these policies. Government has a lot of opportunities for the people, why they are not using. During Project Neeti, I got to realize like people are not aware about these things.
We have figured out that how many parents have Aadhaar cards, PAN cards and other essential documents like इनके पास है, and फिर वो डेटा कलेक्ट करके फिर हमने सेक्शंस लिया. सेक्शंस लेने के बाद हमने फिर से वो डेटा कलेक्ट किया, फिर उसके बाद हमें मालूम पड़ा कि कितना प्रोग्रेस हुआ है.
25 parents have attended, so 15 parents are having their UPI apps and everything.
Few of the parents actually got income certificate, they applied for minority certificate.
The vision, India free of poverty and filled with love. We educators choose the fellowship as a medium to change the problem and bring them out of poverty, but what can other options? Project Neeti has helped me a lot, and just one thing I want to say that तुम्हारी नीति हमारा हक.
तुम्हारी नीति हमारा हक.
तुम्हारी नीति हमारा हक.
तुम्हारे नीति हमारे हक.
हमारा हक.
हमारा हक. तुम्हारे.
तुम्हारी.
तुम्हारी. ओके.
तुम्हारी नीति हमारा हक.